My name is Werner Nau and I'm Professor of Chemistry at Constructor University in Bremen. This is a team effort by 4 groups in 4 different universities. The general aim of this grant is that we are developing a groundbreaking new method for drug delivery. And what brought us to this research is actually a discovery which dates 10 years back, where we found that a certain class of molecules, known as boron clusters, have very special properties. And in 2022, we used those properties to demonstrate that we can transport, by the addition of boron clusters, other interesting drug molecules through the membrane of cells. The cellular membrane is really a powerful barrier, and in drug design, it is in many cases not the challenge to design an efficient drug, but to deliver it to the target inside the cells. And our method achieves that. Absolutely, when we found that these boron clusters have a very high affinity for other molecules. Chemists call them organic or hydrophobic molecules. And to achieve this high affinity, this high binding to other molecules, researchers have already spent 30 and more years to really design molecules that achieve this high affinity. And we found, without much design, that the boron clusters did bind more strongly than the already reported molecules. Many diseases, including certain types of cancer, which cannot be targeted yet effectively, and they are called undruggable diseases. And our method goes exactly after those undruggable diseases to reach targets which cannot be reached with conventional medicines. First of all, as a researcher, it lets me do the research. Of course, research frequently is limited by financial resources, and this ERC Synergy Grant delivers to the team, to our 4 groups in Bern, Marburg and Santiago, an incredible sum of 10 million euro, which we can use for co-workers, for consumables, also for instruments, to get our research going and work towards a common goal: bring those boron clusters into the market of medicinally useful compounds. In 6 years from now, at the end of the Synergy Grant, we really would like to have the first proof of principle demonstrations that these new drugs are actually working, are better working than existing treatments and therapies, and become hopefully economically also viable. Thank you for the questions.